In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush certification. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Semrush Academy, how to find the right course, and what to expect when you complete the lessons and pass the exam to earn your certificate. Let's start on the Semrush Academy homepage. This is the official learning hub where Semrush hosts free, high-quality training on SEO, content marketing, PPC, social media, and their tools. When you land on the Academy, take a moment to get oriented. You'll typically see featured programs, learning paths, and a menu that guides you to everything you need. The key is to make sure you're on the Academy section of Semrush, not just the main product site, so you're in the right place for courses and certifications. From here, look for the courses area in the top navigation. Click on Courses, then choose All Courses to open the full catalog. This gives you a complete view of everything available, including which ones come with an exam and certificate at the end. To make selection easier, use the on-page search or filters to narrow by topic, skill level, or product focus. If you're preparing for a specific certification, check the course description and syllabus. Many pages list the total time, the instructor, and whether there's a final assessment tied to a certificate. It's a good idea to preview a lesson or skim the modules so you know what's included and how the content is structured. Once you've found the course you want, open it and watch all the videos in order. Treat it like a guided learning path. Pause when you need to, take notes on key concepts, and pay attention to any examples that show how to use Semrush tools in real scenarios. Many courses build toward a final exam, so staying engaged during each lesson will make that assessment much easier. When you reach the end, you'll see the exam prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin. The questions are typically based on what you just learned, and you may see multiple choice or scenario-based items. Take your time, refer back to your notes, and answer carefully. If you don't pass on the first attempt, don't stress. Review the lessons and try again when you're ready. After you pass, your certificate is issued right away. You can view it immediately, download a PDF for your records, and often get a shareable link. Consider adding it to your LinkedIn profile, resume, or portfolio to showcase your achievement. That's it. Start at the Semrush Academy homepage, explore all courses, complete the lessons, pass the exam, and claim your certificate.